To succeed in a cloud engineer interview, it's essential to be prepared to discuss various topics, including the differences between cloud and on-premise computing. When answering a question like this, it's crucial to define each concept and then discuss their differences and similarities. Cloud computing is off-site and hosted by a service provider, whereas on-premise computing is managed by the organization, which is responsible for all aspects of the IT infrastructure. The main differences between the two lie in their initial investment, maintenance, and support requirements. On-premise computing requires a high initial investment, and the organization is responsible for maintenance and support, hardware and software upgrades, and scaling the infrastructure, which can be challenging. In contrast, cloud computing has a low initial investment, requires no maintenance or support from the client organization, and allows for automatic and managed upgrades by the service provider, as well as scalable infrastructure. Another critical aspect of cloud computing is its ability to enhance the reliability and availability of an organization's IT resources. This is achieved through the use of fault domains, which involve two virtual machines to ensure instantaneous failover in case one machine fails. Additionally, fault domains enable the replication of network access and data storage, ensuring these resources are always available. The technology behind cloud computing allows for a higher level of reliability and availability, making it an attractive option for organizations. When discussing cloud service providers, it's essential to be familiar with the main players in the industry. The main providers offer unique advantages and disadvantages, and it's crucial to be able to discuss these differences. Each provider has its strengths and weaknesses, and being able to identify these is vital for a cloud engineer. Deploying or transitioning data centers to the cloud is a complex operation that requires careful planning and coordination. This process involves many steps, and the timing is critical to avoid disrupting the organization's operations or resulting in data loss. A cloud engineer should be able to discuss the various forms of data center deployment, including complete or partial moves, and replication of resources at a cloud hosting site. The objective is to relocate the resources into a cloud without disrupting the organization's operations or losing data. A well-planned approach involves identifying the resources to be transitioned, executing the move during periods of low activity, and provisioning for contingencies. Finally, designing and deploying a cloud architecture is a critical aspect of a cloud engineer's role. This process involves developing a reference architecture based on the cloud resources and services required, creating a technical architecture that outlines the hardware, software, network, and applications needed, and deploying the technical architecture using the cloud provider's services and the organization's IT personnel. By following these steps, a cloud engineer can design and deploy a cloud architecture that meets the organization's needs and enhances its IT resources.